Hey guys, today in Kiwanna's kitchen we are going to make another easy, delicious 30-minute meal, and that is homemade creamy chicken spaghetti. So, let's go. Okay guys, real quick we're going to go over all the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make my chicken spaghetti. I have some sweet Vidalia onion here that I did chop up. I have my spices, which I will name in the video, right there. I have some chopped bell pepper that I did freeze. That's why it looked like this. I caught a sale and I chopped it up, put it in the freezer. So I just took out about a cup, which is what we are going to be using in my recipe. I have some cream of chicken, and we have some ground chicken, and of course for sauteing, some olive oil. And the noodles are cooking on the stove. We are going to add those in here once we get it done. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do to make our delicious creamy chicken spaghetti is brown our ground chicken. I have 1 pound of ground chicken in my skillet here. I'm now going in with my chopped onion and the bell pepper, and we're going to give that a good mix and let it sear a little bit before I go in with the spices. And I am going to post all of the spices here on the screen that I'm going to be using in my recipe here for you guys to have if you're interested in making this meal. So we're going to go ahead and just give that a good mix and just let it continue to brown. Now remember guys, we are working with ground chicken, so you definitely want to make sure it's done. So we're just going to give that a good mix and just let it cook. And then what we're going to do after it's done, I'm going to go ahead and drain out the grease, which I did do off camera. And now we're going to start to go in with our other ingredients. I'm going to go in with the milk. I have a total of 2 cups of milk here that I'm going to be adding in. And then we're going to go in with the cream of chicken, and it is 1 15-ounce can of cream of chicken. And we're going to go ahead and just give that a good mix and let it come to a simmer. Okay, now this is the easiest meal that you can make for your family throughout the weekdays. We can even get that out throughout the weekdays. If you guys are looking for something quick and easy to make and you just don't have time to cook, like, for long periods of time, this right here is definitely a go-to meal. So after that come to a simmer, guys, just look at that. It is coming out beautiful. We are going to go in with the cheese, and I am using a total of 2 cups of Mexican cheese, okay? So we're going to get that in there and give it a good mix, and then we're going to go in with my pasta. Now, I didn't have any spaghetti, which I ran out of, so I am using fettuccine pasta in my recipe here. But again, guys, it is chicken spaghetti, so hey, you can use whatever pasta you want. If you want to use macaroni noodles, hey, it's totally up to you. So we're going to go ahead and get the pasta in there, and I did cook this off camera, and I did add some olive oil to it so that it wouldn't stick as much, and then gave it a good mix. So that's it for this video, guys, of me showing you of how to make this delicious creamy chicken spaghetti. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, and until next time, you guys take care.